Find the volume of this object and state its capacity in litres. Now there's a couple of different approaches I can see straight away here. First of all, we could work out the volume of a prism with a trapezium end and then subtract from it half of a cylinder. Or the other way of doing it, since it's a prism type structure, is to work out the area of the end that we can see, which is a trapezium with a circle cut out, and then multiply that by the length, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So let's just take a good look at that end. So we're going to cut out a semicircle just here, and the radius of that would be 6. Now, the distance all the way across here is 12 plus 4 plus 4, which is 20, and the distance all the way across here is 30, and we can see this is 13. So if I just form a right-angled triangle here, then 30 take away 20 is 10, so that would be 5 there and 5 there. And I can use Pythagoras' theorem to work out the height here. So h squared add 5 squared is equal to 13 squared. H squared is going to be 13 squared minus 5 squared. Now you could use the calculator here, but I just happen to know that that's 144, which tells me that h is equal to 12. So the cross-sectional area is going to be a half. It's a trapezium, so we add the parallel sides, 20 add 30, and then multiply by the distance between them, which is the height we just worked out. Then we would have to subtract from that a semicircle, so 180 over 360, or a half, multiplied by pi multiplied by 6 squared. So we can calculate that. So we have 1/2 multiplied by, in a bracket, 20 plus 30 multiplied by 12, and then we're going to subtract from that 180 out of 360, could just use a half there, multiplied by pi multiplied by 6 squared. That gives me 243.451 and so on. And then the volume is going to be the cross-sectional area multiplied by the length. And we can see that's 25. So that's going to be our 243.451 and so on, multiplied by 25. So all we need to do is the last answer multiplied by 25, and we get 686.28 so on, which is 6086, and the units here are millimeters, so this is going to be millimeters cubed to the nearest cubic millimeter. Now we also want to give this in litres, so what I might do just first is convert to centimetres cubed. So I know to divide by 10 going that way, so if we use the cubic units, we're going to divide by 10 cubed. So that's divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. So 1, 2, 3. So that's 6.086 centimeters cubed, and then we have to divide by another 1,000 because 1 centimeter cubed is the same as 1 milliliter. So there's 1,000 centimeters cubed in 1 liter. So 6.086. So 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 0.0006068, and that's in liters.